Okay, I cleaned up my lines. That's where I mounted the extra part of the, I guess you want to call it like another lighter connection. My wire's going through here and it's coming through here. Then I got two long ones. Got this long one there and this long one here. This long one is gonna go, let's see if I can show you back there, through back there onto the other side, onto the driver's side, and it's gonna come underneath my steering wheel and come upwards. So it's gonna connect to this neon lights all through here. Let me to around there. And the one that's going on the passenger side up, it's gonna come out. Sorry, I moved my hands. Let's see, my fingers were in the way. It's gonna be connected under here. It's gonna come up through here. I got another line. It's gonna come up, and then I'm gonna drill a hole, or I could probably, I didn't see that before. I think I could take the wire and connect it through here and then come up in here and feed it through there. I'll figure that out. I'll show you the process on that. Let me finish sorting out these three wires. I got, it's gonna come back up here and it's gonna go out, and then I'm gonna have it on my behind here so you can see through here the lights, and then try to put it with the little speakers I got back there, the middle one, and I don't have to worry about my base. My base has neon lights. What I didn't show you, I added this switch here, and so the wiring, so I could turn on the base if I want, and it's because it's all it is blue light, and I don't want the blue light constantly on. I don't want to get a ticket. They said you can have blue lights inside the car, but I had a cop stop me, and when I had a purple light, and said I couldn't have it. So you got some cops are, well, you got a lot of cops are good, and then you got cops is this, I don't know what's up. He's got to stick up his ass or something. But yeah, some cops are, I talked to, they just basically says they don't even worry about that kind of stuff. So, all right, I don't know if you guys know about the coat hanger stuff, but just to give you a tip, for me to get that piece to go on the other side, what I did is I run the coat hanger through the other side so it could come out, so I could connect that and I could pull it through the other side and make it easier. Just giving you a little tip. Alright, I'm using double-sided Gorilla tape. There's two types. There's the clear one and there's the black one. The black one I found out it works pretty good on inside the Ford plastic. What I was thinking for the dashboard, I actually could see if I take and run double-sided tape on certain areas, on the lines here, I can actually make it more in just that one part I showed with the glove compartment. I can run it underneath the, let's see, there we go. I can run it underneath the glove compartment, on here on this side where my thumb is facing upwards going this way. Okay, I could run it across there and then run it over there. Besides having that one all piece goes down to here, I'm going to take it and run it all the way across here, so it will cover this whole thing. And then I'll make the third, because I got 5 connection, I'll take that other one and run it in the middle. So it'll be 3 up front and 2 going in the back. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Hey everybody. When I made this video, I was hoping it was going to be one altogether, to make one, but it ended up being where I had to cut it in pieces. My time is not as good as what I want it to be. Well, this part didn't have an ending to it, so it's going to kind of fade off. So I just hope you like it. Peace out.
It's just too hard to move when you're standing right there. It's just too hard to walk away and leave you like that. Can we give it one more night?